Chillin', man. How you doing?
Oh man, just cooling, man. Trying to get ready. Man, let's go inside. Oh man, shit. Good. Oh man, shit, just cooling, man. Supposed to be going to a little video shoot with one of my partners, but she look like the rain done fucked that up. Yeah, man, I got that down. Jake got a couple customers I got to serve, you know what I mean? I eat different from motherfuckers. Oh man, some leftover real dog eating on last night. I need to go and fuck them back up. Y'all remember my best friend and my dog? I got 4 dogs. Missy, Marley, Snow, and Gucci.
His stepfather offers support for his public business.
I seen one of my homeboys get shot by the police a couple days ago.
Nielsen starts to relax before.
Right up the street. These neighborhoods got a little bit. Got the goddamn child molesters and shit. They landed in pedophiles. Got the real killers, real rapists. All them folk blending in. Seen some motherfuckers. 2 motherfuckers get throat cut. Couple days ago. They asked for it. You want some more fuck shit, playing with a nigga they thought was a joke, man. On some geek shit.
Listen. The price is right. The price is right. Yeah, what are you thinking, man? $100 off, there you go. I want to show them what the main boys
I like pink in the brain. They try to come up with it, you know what I mean? Another way to get rich every day. This day in my life is 30 slow. I feel by myself now. I don't keep a lot of people around me. Too much money, too much shit involved. We need to try to watch motherfuckers. So I don't need them around. Keep out around, I don't need that trouble for real.